Yum. Doesn't this look amazing? Spectacular. Welcome back to Life and Fork. As you can see, it's beautiful outside. I'm going to teach you how to char cauliflower on your grill outside. When it's nice, it's easier to cook outside than it is to cook inside, less mess, so check it out. Okay, so first we're going to take a half of cauliflower, split it down in half again. We're going to remove the last bit of the stem at the end, peel it, just like that. Next, you're going to take some aluminum foil, place your cauliflower in the center, sprinkle some kosher salt, some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of olive oil, cover it up, make a little pouch. Then we head to the grill. Make sure your grill is on high. Now we're going to take our cauliflower, set it to the top piece right in the center of your grill so all the heat can connect to it, all comes together. Close the top and let it cook for 12 minutes. Okay, now it's time to open it. It's been the exact same time. I lowered it to the bottom portion. Be careful opening it. Sometimes I like to pull it off the grill so I don't burn myself because of the flames. There you go. So you're opening just like that. I'm going to add some of my homemade pesto. A little bit of mozzarella. And then close it to let it melt. Now it's perfectly melted. It's time to pull it off the grill. Again, using your tongs. And that's it. Yum. Doesn't this look amazing? Spectacular. So there you go. Easy charred cauliflower on your grill outside. Enjoy the weather. Get cooking outside. See you guys next week. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you get reminders of all the new episodes coming up. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.